once again bringing you an Airsoft related video. Right now will just be an unboxing of a package I just got in from airsoftgi.com, and let's see what's in it. And as you can see, it's a pretty big package. So just cut it. Oh yeah, I like to thank UPS a lot because I got this package under free shipping, and they sent it to me in literally 3 days. 3 freaking days. And it was on ground. Should have took at least 5 or 6. I mean, that's just pretty amazing if you ask me. So, open this. So you can see it. So first, start out with this right here. I have a Bravo 96 600 milliamp battery. And this around like sorry, right here. What's that? It's my KBWA M4A1. So yeah, it's kind of a small unboxing, I guess. But I got it in a battery, but it's a really, really nice gun I hear, and I hear it's like KBWAs are top of the line. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this really crappy unboxing, and yeah, it's been full of time again, and goodbye.